All right, so asking you guys the same question I posted at the very beginning of this video. How much money would it have cost if I had bought, a Snap-on brand or any of the truck brands? Okay, so it's gonna be these two boxes if they were, Snap-on versions. All the tools here that you see, all the ones I showed you earlier, right? They're on here. Including the toolbox, all the stuff that's inside, all the stuff that's down there. And if I got all Milwaukee's here, and then all of this overflow stuff here, including, the 3-ton low profile jack, as well as the 4 3-ton jack stands. Now I'll let you guys know what I paid for all this. I probably spent roughly 11 to 12,000 bucks. Had I bought this without using the Prime Day deals from Amazon, all the discounts, and if I didn't use all the coupons that were sent in the past 3 months, from the 4th of July sale to the 40% off the Icon wrenches, also my ITC discount, which was considerable, I probably would have spent, another $5,000 to $6,000. So, anywhere between 16 grand, maybe 17. And my second question to you guys is, will this get the job done? Will it last in a professional setting? Meaning, you're wrenching 6 days a week, 10-hour days, and get like an hour break, right? Will this hold up over time? That's my question to you guys. I'm gonna post another video when I get it fully completed and it's exactly my liking right before I start doing the rest of mods. But I'm running out of time because my JDM CRX is already here. It's already at the port, already got delivered yesterday, and it's gonna get delivered here next week through a car transport. So I could go and pick it up, but I don't want to do any of that stuff. I got to get this room ready. Right, this is a temporary place. Man, I could have waited like another year before I did this, but I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna get started. I also got my 91 FC3S, also getting delivered 2 weeks later after the CRX is here. So both of them were 91s. Both of them were JDM classics. They're both right-hand drives. They're the last years that they made these, the Honda CRX and the Mazda RX-7 Turbo 2. I'm gonna do my own mods and restoration, a lot of different things like that. I'm probably not gonna rebuild the engines on the RX-7 because it has really low miles. On the CRX, I'm gonna swap out the engine as mentioned earlier. So, but they're gonna be here next week, and then 2 weeks after, the RX-7 is getting here. So I'm gonna have to make room for all this, clean everything up, reorganize everything. So that's how I'm gonna start this out. And then meanwhile, I'm gonna continue to work on the secondary location.